my first attempt. I think I like it. So this is my first attempt at tufting, and this could go terribly wrong, or it could go good. So I've watched a lot of videos like everybody else does that you're probably doing right now on YouTube, and Chester has got to be the best tufting person I've seen. There's also the ALO person, and then there's also some great tutorials. Just search for tufting tutorials and you'll be able to find it. So what I did is, I found the center, and then I wanted to keep 3 inches to the side here, and then I found the center of the 3 inch in between here and here, which was 2.75 inches, and so I made my mark there on there, and then that gives me my diamond shape that I'm looking for here. So what I'm going to do now is drill some holes, and we'll go from there. Okay, so now that we have that done, we can get our foam pad, and then I got a 2 inch by 15 inch by 17 inch, which is the same size as this. So what we can do is open up this. And then we got to glue it onto. Oh yeah, that's sticking good. Now that we got that on there, we are going to stick something through there and mark it with the Sharpie to make sure we got it. And I just got a nail that's a little bit longer than 2 inches. I'm going to stick it through the hole. There it is. We're just going to make a little mark around it. All right, so now we got that. And I've seen the people, they have the specialty drill bits and all that stuff. I don't have one. A quarter, so we'll go ahead and we'll try it. See if it works. Oh, no, it did not. That just tore that whole thing up. Darn it. Highly recommend getting that specialty foam bit because you need it. Watching those guys, this is how you figure out the length of fabric you need. And I'm going to overextend it a lot, so I'm going to give a piece of 28. We'll do 28 by 28 just to make it easy. And we're going to move inside to do the rest of this inside since the fabric is that way. So, all right. So I got my leather working tools here, which I got my tape measure here. That's not really a tape measure at all, but it works good. And I got some bigger needles. I know these. You come with working needles that you can actually, fabric needles or whatever they call them, the tufting needles that are longer and stuff like that. I don't have those, so I'm just going to use a regular bigger needle that I use for woodworking. And same thing, I got some wax string that I used for leather working in my past thing. So this fine center, all I'm going to do is kind of find roughly center here. Just put a line right here. And I'm just using this washable stuff. It's barely, you can barely see it. So I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but just know that I'm trying not to make it dark thing. All right, so there's center. find my needle. All right. Now we want to come right there in the center. And then come right in the center here. Let's kind of see what it's going to look like. I think I'm going to like it. Got the little tassel in the bottom there to kind of give it something, so we'll see if we like it or not. I'm going to bend it over, pull it tight. And just because I'm neurotic, I'm going to put one more on the... Oh yeah, that's cool. It's so fluffy. Thought maybe not. All right, we're gonna start right here. I'm gonna pull tight. Try to just cover these. Same thing here. We'll start in the center. Pull tight. Haha! I think I like it. My first attempt. I think I like it.